Okay. Hey y'all, this is Dia Baby, and I am recording this from my phone, so I'm very sorry this video will not be edited. So whatever I say, excuse me. It is OTW week, and also it will be OTW week next week. And this week, today is Bitch You Busted Monday. And also I want to say that my camera's not working currently, so I'm sorry. So today, the first half of the show is Bitch Why You Lie. Some of the questions is like, are you sorry you got caught, or are you generally sorry? Did you lie from the start, and can you recover from being a liar? The second half is the bounce back. So does being hurt change you? And how about some good head? Does it help you to bounce back and forget like the best way to get over someone, or like what's the best way to bounce back? So yeah, call in 760-283-5106. Call in 5 to 10 minutes prior. Why did I say 5 to 10? 10 to 15 minutes. I'm so sorry. 10 to 15 minutes prior to the show. Press 1 to talk to the host. We do have a new co-host, Ida Bitta. Doobie Bitta. However you say her name. I love you, Ida. I'm sorry. So yeah, call in. You really do not want to miss this. Like, I'm so serious. We be busting people out. And you already know somebody in our OTW crew is going hard. We're not going to say who, but somebody's getting busted. I know I'm busting out some names because I got some anger towards somebody. So yeah, this is a show. This week is, you don't want to miss it. I'm so serious. You don't want to miss it. So, yeah. Okay, again, the number is 283. Well, the area code is 760-283-5106. 10 to 15 minutes. The time, who just texted me? Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, the time for call in is 7 p.m. Pacific, 9 Central, and 10 p.m. Eastern. And make sure you tune in Wednesdays and Fridays also. And I am out. Oh yeah, shout out to the fans, the supporters, the families out there, all my whole OTW family. I love y'all. Okay. Alright, but yeah, I will be posting this video, and support everybody, support us, and we are in this thing, and I am out. Bye, you guys.